Okay, welcome everybody. And this is a webinar on DGdox designed for 3PL. So in the past, we had DGdox designed for commercial, for the business environment, where you created profiles in separate tabs. And then when you were creating dangerous goods declarations, it was a different set of menus. So based on feedback from our 3PLs, we redesigned the interface to make it easily accessible from one sheet where you do all your work. We log in, and this is the new screen. So the colors have changed from the brown to the blue. So it's much nicer, softer on the eye. That's the first change. Language has also been added where you are able to switch languages on the fly. And Rolf, here is your German interface. Entire thing is now available in German, even declarations. So again, just switch everything on the fly and you're in English, German, French, Spanish, or Chinese. So this is the main interface, and the first thing is I choose the mode of transportation. I can choose ADR, C. Road refers to North American road, where it based on the address, it will choose TDG or 49 CFR for Canadian or US regulations. So I'm going to choose I'm going to choose air. And here is my shipper selection where I can choose from a list. Or if I want to create one on the fly, I can just click on the plus button and I can add a new shipper to my list. I put test shipper George. I can put a warehouse name to easily identify it. I can put in 123 any street. And country, I'm going to choose United Kingdom. Let's say United Kingdom. AN098. I can put a contact name, the email address, and add. City. Cool. So that's it. I don't have to fight. I don't have to go to different menus. Single menu, I get everything done. Consignees. I can choose my consignees from the drop down list, or I can even create one on the fly. Add a shipment. I start. Products, since I just get a brand new shipper, I have nothing. So I go plus to add a product. I want to ship it by air. And the first thing it's going to ask me my UN number. If I don't know my UN number, I can actually enter it over here. I can say, for example, methyl. And it says, yep, I found two. One is methyl chloride. I choose methyl. It puts up the UN number for me. My commercial name is, I put test methyl. Next, I have got to choose is the packing group. So this only has group 2 and 3. So just group 2, only group 2 shows. If there's 1, 2, 3, you choose from the packing group. Next is choosing the aircraft type, passenger and cargo or cargo only. So passenger and cargo is the most preferred. So I choose passenger and cargo. And immediately gives you all the information pertaining to this UN number. It says it's a class 3. Limited quantity is 1 liter. The packing instructions that apply to it is 353 for regular loads and Y341 for limited quantity loads. EQ is E2. There are no special provisions applicable to it, and the max weight per package is 5 liters. This is upfront, so your net total weight cannot exceed 5 kilos per package. Flash point is again optional. So if you have it, you put it in. So I put it to 20 degrees. And then the mode. So shipping is non-bulk, LQ, EQ. Since this is a passenger and cargo, bulk is not allowed. So I would choose non-bulk. And I say, yes, it's a combination pack. And I choose, it's a plastic. And if I put it exceeding the 5 kilo weight, he's going to complain. So if I put 6 kilos, he's going to say, sorry, you're exceeding the packaging limit 5 kilos. So I will choose one at number of units is 5. Outer packaging is a 4G, a fiberboard box. And the outer weight is, if I put it 5.1 kilos, he's going to complain. It can only be 5 kilos for the outer package because that's what the max weight is for this UN number. Put in 5. Now I have the luxury of uploading my SDS. Not mandatory, it's optional. And I choose, is this an SDS file? And I choose my file and I pick it. And I say, here we go. Open. And this is the demo SDS file. Add. I can view the SDS file. It's there for my preview. I save it. I can verify my package has the right certification code. Again, optional, not necessary. I can say this is a 1A. It says, sorry, this has to be a 4G. So I correct it. Yep, it's a 4G. My packing group XOY, since this is a PG2, I will choose XOY. And the gross weight, yep, this is a 10 kilo package limit. And I say, so I verified this. Again, this is an optional step. It tells you need a class 3 label on the package and a directional item on top. If there were SPs, we clicked on SPs, it will show you the SPs that are applicable to this package, this UN number right here. And the add button is being hidden by this.
All the way at the bottom, George.
Okay, my Zoom was interfering with my screen. Okay, and that's add.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Next, it tells me how many units. It's 10 units. And here I can put my area build information if I want. I can leave it blank and it's add. So as soon as this is done, it's very necessary to have a product label on each package. So you can zebra print the product labels. And this has to go on every package. So you print it and it's done. You can then overpack it, dragging and dropping. I said the identical overpacks. Select the overpack. So this is going to be a skid. I'm going to have 2 identical overpacks, each having 5 units. I set my box ID. Is it done? And I finalize it. I can then print the overpack labels. Save. I can preview my declaration. It also has the area bill included, SDS, all as part of the package, and final doc. I skip the area bill info. And voila, it's done. So generally what we found out is most 3PLs reship the same products for customers over and over again. So I go back over here. I don't have to go through my entire process of setting up the product. It's right there. Enter the number of units. Add. Again, it'll zebra print my label for me. This time I will leave it loose. I can skip it. I can go to my final doc. So this is how easy it is now to become. So if I now go to ADR, and I choose a shipper, okay, consignee is add shipment of products. Same thing, I will have to add a product. I go ADR. I can enter my method. So this makes it very easy to look up PSN. Gives you the UN number. I can then add different labels to this. I can add a fragile label, a directional label, I do not crush label, optional. Again, it gives you all the information with respect to the package. Now over here, I do need flashpoint as part of the regulations. So I put in 20 degrees and I can choose the different modes. So I choose non-bulk, combination pack, yes. Again, select my inner package is, this time it is 30 liters max. I put in 5 liters, 4 liters per pack. Overpack, again, I'll put a 4G box. Max is 23 kilos. I can again upload my SDS file. Add it, preview it, save it, add. And again, I can put my 24-hour emergency number. I can add it straight from the list. Add, save it. Number of units, so put 10 units. Add. I can overpack it. Drop it over there. All 10 will be overpacked. Select overpack. The skid. And then I save it, finalize the pack. I print the overpack labels, close, save, and I go, okay, get my final doc. Let's get the container information. It has my tunnel codes. and it's done. So same thing for TDG49 CFR. User option, you can retrieve shipments, and you can change configurations. So you can have it with stripes, without stripes, and for IMDG you can have SOLAS method 2 included or not included. For retrieve shipments, you can go back and pull all the shipments back from the database. You can choose advanced. Give me everything I shipped by air from date to date. And you can even filter by UN number if you want, and click submit. That these are all the transactions that were done. Those that are incomplete means they're in process, haven't been completed, and those that are completed. And these are kept for 5 years in the system. Right. So here we have user management, where you can manage users. So you can assign people who to use the software, and over here you can have configuration. So you can say, show me the declaration with stripes, IAT, IMDG, the every build type, the how you want to cross a red dash. You can have IMDG declaration can be IMDG or multimodal. You can use a signature for signing or no signature. This is hand signed. Some countries in Europe require a hand signature. So these are all the options you have to choose. And even the airport departure, if you don't want to have to re-enter it over and over again, you can choose your country and airport automatically. And you can choose the different types of trucks. So all in all, very straightforward. So I did a demonstration of IMD of IATA and ADR. I will just do a demo of IMDG. See, shipper, add shipment. So I didn't have one, so I'm going to add again. It's here. I'm choose IMDG. Search it. The browser. There we go. Sorry about that. Signing IMDG. I can choose my labels again. I choose non-bulk or bulk. I say no this time. 24-hour contact number. I like Can You Tech a lot, so I'll add that. Save. Single packaging is going to be a plastic drum, and it's got 20 liters each. 26 kg. I can click add. Number of units are 10 units. And I can overpack it, grab it over all 10. Auto, save, overpack label. I can print it, close, save. I can preview my document, download. I can save it to file, or I can finalize it. So one interface, all the declarations that you need for almost the entire world, except for Australia is not covered, but all the rest are covered here for air, sea, and road.